This is TechCrunch. Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang descended on the UK last week armed with a pledge to invest $2.6 billion to supercharge the country's AI startup ecosystem. The company told TechCrunch that the UK-based self-driving tech startup Wayve could be one of those to receive funds from Nvidia's AI investment commitment. Wayve said it has signed a letter of intent with Nvidia to evaluate a $500 million strategic investment in the UK startup's next funding round. Nvidia participated in Wave's $1.05 billion Series C round that closed in May of last year. A Wayve spokesperson confirmed that the $500 million tentative commitment is part of Nvidia's AI startup investment pledge. Now, Nvidia said during an event on Thursday that the financial commitment would include funds from venture capital investors Accel, Air Street Capital, Balderton Hoxton Ventures, and Phoenix Court. An Nvidia spokesperson declined to comment on the letter of intent announcement, though. Now, Wayve co-founder and CEO Alex Kendall would not provide TechCrunch with a projected closing date for its Series D round. Kendall did say the company was working quickly towards it, though. Wayve launched in 2017 and gained attention and investors for its automated driving system that uses a self-learning versus rules-based approach to its self-driving software. Wayve's end-to-end neural network does not require high-definition maps and only uses data to teach the vehicle how to drive. That data-driven learning approach is used for eyes-on assisted driving and an eyes-off fully automated driving system. The company plans to sell its embodied AI to automakers and other tech companies. Wayve's self-learning approach, which is similar to the strategy that Tesla uses, is seen as particularly appealing to automakers because it's not reliant on specific sensors or maps. That means Wayve's system can work with existing sensors like cameras and radar. The automated driving software captures data from those sensors, which directly informs the driving decisions of the system. And while Wayve's software can run on whatever chip its OEM partners already have in their vehicles, the startup has had a close development relationship with Nvidia since 2018. Wayve's Generation 2 self-driving platform, which is integrated into its Ford Mach-E test vehicles, uses NVIDIA GPUs. Now, last week, the startup unveiled Gen 3, a platform that uses the in-vehicle compute autonomous vehicle development kit called NVIDIA Drive AGX Thor. The Gen 3 will allow Wayve to offer eyes-off advanced driving assistance systems and Level 4 driverless features that will work on city streets and highways. NVIDIA, and in particular Huang, seems keen to be part of Wayve's future. Huang took his first ride in a Wayve-equipped vehicle in London, and he commented in a video to be released soon, calling Wayve the next trillion-dollar company. UK-based fintech Tide has entered the Unicorn Club with a fresh funding of $120 million led by TPG as the startup now serves over 1.6 million micro and small enterprises globally, with more than half of them based in India, the company's largest and its fastest-growing market. The new round, a mix of primary and secondary investment, though the startup declined to confirm the exact split, values the 8-year-old startup at $1.5 billion. It includes share sales by employees, early angels, and a few minority investors. TPG backed the round through its multi-sector impact vehicle, the Rise Fund, which has invested in over 85 mission-driven companies. Existing investors, the Apax Digital Funds, also participated. Now, globally, micro and small enterprises, including contractors, freelancers, and solopreneurs, spend a significant amount of time on business management tasks like accounting, invoicing, taxes, securing loans, and managing payments and expenses. While traditional banks and fintech startups offer services to this segment, most solutions are not purpose-built for their unique needs. Tide aims to change that with its unified business platform, offering tailored tools such as accounting integrations, invoicing, business loans, asset finance, payroll, expense cards, and even company registration. Tide launched in the UK back in 2017, and then it expanded into India in late 2022 to tap into the country's vast base of small enterprises. Since its entry, Tide has onboarded more than 800,000 Indian businesses, which it refers to as members, surpassing its UK member base of nearly 800,000. In the UK, where Tide is already profitable, the company serves around 14% of the country's small and medium business market. Tide estimates that around 4 million micro and small businesses are launched in India every year. These businesses typically seek support in areas like accessing formal credit, accepting Indian government-backed unified payments interface for payments, and navigating the country's indirect tax system, the goods and services tax. Now, Tide serves them through its digital platform, available as an app on both iOS and Android. The UK startup expects to onboard 1 million businesses in India by the end of this year and is already seeing strong demand from Tier 3 cities and beyond. In India, Tide works with around 25 lenders on its platform to facilitate credit for small businesses, recommending partners based on each business's needs. The company also offers services such as fixed deposits, bill payments, bank transfers, and cash withdrawals through ATMs. In addition to the UK and India, Tide launched in Germany back in May of last year and expanded into France earlier this month. The startup offers a tailored experience in each market, including local language support. With the fresh funding, Tide plans to expand further geographically, enhance its product, and invest in agentic AI. Tide currently employs over 2,500 people across its global operations. That's it from TechCrunch. For more tech stories like these, go to TechCrunch.com.